If you're looking for major snowstorms, this probably isn't the world's best pattern, but there is a chance for some spots to see over 6 inches. We'll dive into that now as we have that system that will be developing. It certainly isn't a boring pattern. Coming out of the Four Corners region, this is a Colorado low. It gets its energy here off the lee side of the Rocky Mountains, moves eastward. It'll take on this type of an orientation. This is where your snow zone is going to be. There's not going to be a super ton amount of cold air coming down south, so you're probably not going to see, even if the track changes a little bit south, this shifting a ton. This is where the area of moderate to heavy snow is possible. Portions of Iowa back into Wisconsin, extreme northern Illinois maybe, and then up into mid-Michigan, Ontario, and Quebec. Probability for that heavy snow, 6 inches plus, it's there, not super high, but it is possible across portions of the Midwest and Great Lakes, and very likely once you get into portions of Quebec, but we're talking mainly north of Montreal, and then sliding off into Nova Scotia. Pretty good confidence that there is going to be some nice snowfall there. And then wrap around cold air and moisture will fire off the lake effect snow machine, not only off of Michigan, but off of Erie. So watch out western PA. Notice this, a little bit of troughing and extra orographic lift for some snow showers much further south. And then notice this, a decent amount of activity coming out of Pacific Northwest. No surprise with that active jet streak. We'll see one system move across and then another one swinging across as well, bringing some snow to the northern portions of the country. As this wraps around the Great Lakes next week, this could be with a nice trough of low pressure and colder than average temperatures. A nice cold blast is possible. So really kind of flipping back between the warmth and the cold. A little bit more on that now. These are height anomalies, the heights in the atmosphere, the pressure patterns favoring lower pressure, which favors more troughs and colder air. So the blue colors are more dominant across much of the United States, but especially off into Canada. We'll see now, does that translate very well to the temperatures? Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. Lots of warm air, we're talking widespread 50s, even some 60s, and up into the upper 40s and 50s far north. Then we get some blasts of cold air coming in at times, just a little bit here and there, but notice it's going to really warm up. Widespread across the nation, the cold air is trapped up across Canada, and it's days on days over the next week to 2 weeks that's going to see that warmth. So your best cold blasts coming in the next week or so, as it looks right now. But it'll be an active pattern. You'll see these waves of precipitation from the northwest sliding in across much of the eastern portion of the country as well. So if we get those cold blasts to time up with systems, there's still chances for snow, just like what we said in our winter forecast, though, more warmth than normal. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you guys are a snow contractor or a municipality and you need accurate, detailed weather information to make better decisions, save thousands of dollars, that's what we're here for here at NeoWeather.